Hey everyone, and welcome back to Holistic Wellness Realm. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. Today, we're diving deep into the world of diabetes management with a focus on the power of food. Food is not just fuel, it's medicine, especially when it comes to managing chronic conditions like diabetes. We all know someone who has diabetes, or maybe you're even managing it yourself. It's a condition that can feel overwhelming, but with the right knowledge and tools, it can be managed effectively. It's a condition that affects millions around the world, and it's something we need to talk more about. The prevalence of diabetes is rising globally, and it's crucial to spread awareness and education. Did you know that a huge percentage of people with diabetes can actually manage their condition primarily through dietary changes? Yes, the food choices we make daily can have a profound impact on our health. That's right, what you put on your plate can truly make a world of difference. A balanced diet rich in whole foods, low in refined sugars, and high in fiber can help regulate blood sugar levels. Join me as I take on the challenge of eating only diabetic-friendly foods for 7 days and see what kind of magic happens. This journey is not just about restriction, it's about discovering new flavors and foods that nourish our bodies. We'll explore the science behind these foods, debunk common myths, and most importantly, show you that eating for diabetes doesn't have to mean sacrificing flavor or enjoyment. Healthy eating can be delicious and satisfying. This is all about empowering you to take control of your health and make sustainable choices that support your well-being. Small, consistent changes can lead to significant improvements in your health. We will provide a meal plan for the next 7 days. We'll break down each day's meal plan, providing delicious and nutritious recipes that won't spike your blood sugar levels. Each meal is carefully crafted to balance nutrients and keep you satisfied. We'll also be sharing tips on meal prepping, grocery shopping, and dining out, so you can stick to this lifestyle change with confidence. Knowing how to navigate these situations is key to long-term success. Remember, knowledge is power, and I'm here to equip you with the tools you need to thrive. From understanding food labels to using health apps, we'll cover it all. So whether you're living with diabetes or simply want to improve your overall health, this video is for you. Adopting a healthier lifestyle benefits everyone, not just those with diabetes. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any videos on your holistic wellness journey. Let's embark on this transformative experience together. Your support helps us create more valuable content. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who might benefit from it. Let's get started. Together, we can create a community of informed and empowered individuals ready to take charge of their health. Let's talk about what it actually means to eat diabetic-friendly. This term might sound a bit daunting at first, but it's really about making smart, informed choices that help manage your blood sugar levels effectively. Now, this doesn't have to be a scary term. In fact, it can be quite empowering to know that you have control over your health through the foods you choose to eat. It simply means choosing foods that help keep your blood sugar levels stable. This stability is crucial for maintaining energy levels and overall well-being. Think of it like this. When we eat carbohydrates, our bodies break them down into sugar, which enters our bloodstream. This sugar, or glucose, is a primary source of energy for our cells. Insulin, a hormone produced by the pancreas, helps our cells absorb this sugar for energy. It acts like a key, unlocking cells to allow glucose to enter and be used for fuel. However, in diabetes, this process is disrupted. This disruption can lead to a range of health issues if not managed properly. Either the pancreas isn't producing enough insulin or the body's cells become resistant to it, leading to high blood sugar levels. This condition is known as insulin resistance. That's where diabetic-friendly foods come in. These foods are designed to help manage blood sugar levels and support overall health. These foods are generally lower in carbohydrates, high in fiber, and rich in nutrients that support blood sugar control. They provide a balanced approach to nutrition. Fiber, for instance, acts like a superhero in slowing down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This slow absorption helps prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. This prevents those dreaded sugar spikes and crashes that can leave you feeling fatigued and unwell. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is key to feeling your best throughout the day. And guess what? Fiber-rich foods are also incredibly satisfying, keeping you fuller for longer and reducing those pesky cravings. It's a win-win situation. You get to enjoy your meals while also supporting your health. So, by making conscious choices about what we eat, we can directly impact our blood sugar levels and overall health. This means being mindful of the types of carbohydrates we consume and opting for those that have a lower glycemic index. Remember, it's not about deprivation. It's about making sustainable swaps and finding joy in nourishing our bodies with the right foods. This approach can lead to a more enjoyable and fulfilling way of eating. Let's explore some of these amazing diabetic-friendly foods in the next section. We'll dive into specific examples and how they can be incorporated into your daily meals to support your health journey. Let's be real for a moment. Managing diabetes, especially when it comes to food choices, can feel overwhelming at times. The constant need to monitor what you eat, count carbohydrates, and ensure you're making the healthiest choices can be exhausting. We're constantly bombarded with conflicting information, fad diets, and advice that changes from one day to the next. One book tells you to avoid carbs, while another says they're essential. It's no wonder people feel confused and frustrated. And then there are the temptations that seem impossible to resist. The sight of a tempting dessert or the smell of fast food can make it incredibly challenging to stick to a healthy eating plan. It's easy to feel limited, restricted, and even a little bit defeated. The thought of giving up your favorite foods can be disheartening, and the fear of making a wrong choice can be paralyzing. Many people with diabetes express frustration with the perceived lack of variety in their diets. They feel stuck eating the same monotonous meals day after day, which can lead to burnout and a lack of motivation to stick with their eating plan. They miss indulging in their favorite foods and worry about feeling left out at social gatherings. Watching others enjoy foods they can't have can be a painful reminder of their restrictions. The fear of blood sugar spikes can cast a shadow over what should be enjoyable experiences. The anxiety of how a meal might affect your blood sugar can take away the joy of eating. But here's the truth. Managing diabetes doesn't have to mean sacrificing flavor or social connection. With the right approach, you can enjoy delicious meals and still keep your blood sugar in check. It's about finding a balance, making informed choices, and discovering a whole new world of delicious and healthy options. There are countless nutritious foods that are both satisfying and good for you. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. There are many people who understand what you're going through and are ready to offer support and guidance. There are countless resources available, from registered dietitians to online communities, ready to support you every step of the way. These resources can provide you with the knowledge and encouragement you need to make positive changes. The key is to shift our perspective from one of limitation to one of empowerment. Instead of seeing diabetes as a restriction, view it as an opportunity to take control of your health and make choices that benefit your body. Instead of focusing on what we can't have, let's explore the abundance of incredible foods that nourish our bodies and satisfy our taste buds. There are so many delicious and healthy options out there waiting to be discovered. Let's redefine diabetic-friendly as deliciously satisfying and embark on a culinary adventure that celebrates both our health and our love for good food. By embracing a positive mindset and being open to new experiences, we can turn the challenge of managing diabetes into an opportunity for growth and enjoyment. All right, let's dive into your diabetic-friendly meal plan for the week. We're kicking things off on Monday with a focus on power foods. For breakfast, think about a delicious oatmeal topped with a handful of berries and a sprinkle of nuts. Oatmeal is a fantastic source of fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels, and the berries add antioxidants and natural sweetness. For lunch, how about a vibrant salad with grilled chicken or fish? Lean protein provides sustained energy without the blood sugar spike, and loading up on colorful veggies gives you essential vitamins and minerals. Remember, variety is key, so get creative with your salads. Dinner calls for a hearty lentil soup. Lentils are packed with protein and fiber, making them a diabetes superstar. You can whip up a big batch on Sunday and have leftovers ready to go for a quick and nutritious meal. Don't be afraid to add in your favorite veggies for extra flavor and nutrients. And for your snacks throughout the day, reach for a handful of almonds, a piece of fruit, or some Greek yogurt. These options provide sustained energy and help curb those cravings between meals. Remember, staying properly fueled throughout the day is crucial for managing blood sugar levels. On Tuesday, let's keep the momentum going with more delicious and nutritious options. Start your day with a green smoothie made with spinach, berries, and a scoop of protein powder. This smoothie is packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and protein to keep you energized. For lunch, try a quinoa salad with a variety of vegetables and a light vinaigrette. Quinoa is a great source of protein and fiber, and the veggies add essential nutrients. Dinner can be grilled salmon with a side of asparagus and a small serving of brown rice. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. For snacks, enjoy Greek yogurt with nuts or apple slices with a bit of peanut butter. By Wednesday, you might need a midweek boost. Breakfast can be avocado toast topped with a poached egg. Avocado provides healthy fats, and the egg adds protein to keep you full. For lunch, a chicken and vegetable stir-fry with a side of brown rice is perfect. This meal is balanced with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. Dinner can be a hearty turkey chili. Turkey is a lean protein, and the beans add fiber and nutrients. Snack on carrot sticks with hummus or cottage cheese with fruit. On Thursday, stay strong with these meal ideas. Start with a Greek yogurt parfait layered with fresh fruit and a sprinkle of granola. This breakfast is rich in protein and antioxidants. For lunch, a tuna salad with mixed greens and a light dressing is ideal. Tuna is a great source of lean protein and omega-3s. Dinner can be baked chicken with a side of roasted sweet potatoes and steamed broccoli. Sweet potatoes are high in fiber and vitamins, making them a great choice. Snack on a handful of walnuts or celery sticks with almond butter. Finish the week strong with these Friday meals. Breakfast can be scrambled eggs with spinach and a slice of whole grain toast. Eggs provide protein, and spinach adds iron and vitamins. For lunch, a chickpea salad with tomatoes, cucumbers, and a light dressing is perfect. Chickpeas are high in fiber and protein, making them a great addition to your diet. Dinner can be grilled shrimp with a side of quinoa and steamed vegetables. Shrimp is low in calories and high in protein, while quinoa adds fiber and nutrients. Snack on a handful of pistachios or sliced bell peppers with guacamole. On Saturday, focus on weekend wellness with these meals. Start your day with whole grain pancakes topped with fresh berries. Whole grains provide fiber, and berries add antioxidants. For lunch, a turkey and avocado wrap with whole grain tortilla is a great choice. Turkey provides lean protein, and avocado adds healthy fats. Dinner can be baked cod with a side of roasted vegetables. Cod is a lean protein, and the vegetables add essential nutrients. Snack on a handful of cashews or mixed berries with cottage cheese. On Sunday, prep for the week ahead with these meals. Start with a veggie omelet made with your favorite vegetables. This breakfast is packed with protein and vitamins. For lunch, a lentil and vegetable stew is perfect. Lentils provide protein and fiber, and the vegetables add essential nutrients. Dinner can be grilled chicken with a side of quinoa and steamed vegetables. Chicken is a lean protein, and quinoa adds fiber and nutrients. Snack on a handful of almonds or Greek yogurt with fruit. Remember, staying consistent with your meal plan and enjoying a variety of diabetic-friendly foods will help you manage your blood sugar levels and feel your best. Enjoy the benefits of a well-balanced diet and take control of your health one meal at a time. Now, let's talk about the incredible impact this diabetic-friendly approach can have. Meet Sarah, a vibrant woman in her late 40s who was struggling to manage her type 2 diabetes. She felt overwhelmed with conflicting information and found it challenging to stick to a healthy eating plan. Sarah often experienced energy crashes throughout the day, had intense sugar cravings, and felt anxious about her long-term health. She knew she needed to make a change but wasn't sure where to start. That's when she decided to give this 7-day meal plan a try. At first, Sarah was a bit hesitant, wondering if she could really stick to it and if it would make a difference. But she was determined to prioritize her health and was willing to give it her all. She started incorporating the recommended foods into her daily meals and was amazed by how delicious and satisfying they were. The variety of flavors and textures kept her taste buds happy, and the focus on whole foods left her feeling energized and satisfied after each meal. She noticed a significant improvement in her energy levels throughout the day and no longer experienced those dreaded sugar crashes. Let's recap the amazing benefits of incorporating these diabetic-friendly foods into your diet. First and foremost, these foods are packed with fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and prevents those energy spikes and crashes. They're also rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health and protect against chronic diseases. Eating these foods can help you maintain a healthy weight, which is crucial for managing diabetes. By choosing nutrient-dense options, you'll feel fuller for longer and be less likely to crave unhealthy snacks. But it's not just about physical health. These foods can also have a positive impact on your mental and emotional well-being. When you nourish your body with healthy foods, you'll experience increased energy levels, improved focus, and a more positive mood. Remember, managing diabetes is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs, but by incorporating these delicious and nutritious foods into your diet, you'll be well on your way to living a healthier, happier life. If you're finding this video helpful so far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps the video reach more people who could benefit from this information. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on new videos about healthy living. Remember, managing diabetes is a journey, and having a supportive community can make all the difference. Sharing this video with your friends and family who might be struggling with diabetes, or even those just looking to make healthier choices, can be a great way to support them. You know, we are all about sharing practical, evidence-based health advice in a fun and engaging way. Seeing how many people are helped motivates me to keep creating content that empowers you to take control of your health. So go ahead, hit those buttons, share the video, and let's build a healthier community together. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments below. Have you tried any of the foods we talked about? What are your go-to diabetic-friendly recipes? Now, I'm curious, what are some of your favorite diabetic-friendly foods? Let's create a master list in the comments below. Your suggestions might inspire someone else to try something new and delicious that fits perfectly into their diabetes management plan. Remember, eating for diabetes doesn't have to be boring. There are so many incredible ingredients and cuisines out there that can be enjoyed while still keeping your blood sugar in check. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. Remember, managing diabetes is a journey, but by making smart food choices and incorporating these delicious diabetic-friendly options into your diet, you can take control of your health and live your best life. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness content, and share this video with anyone who might find it helpful. I'll see you in the next video.